Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, the phrase we're teaching you is later. Okay, 等一下，怎么说？
等一下，
等一下，
或者是等哈。
or 等哈 okay? Now, when you're outside and you're seeing clouds and it looks like it's getting dark, you're going to worry that it's going to rain later. 其实虽然现在是暑假，虽然是还是夏天9月哦，但是常常外面会有乌云，开始会下雨啊，
感觉要下大雨了，
对，然后可能就会说啊，等一下要下雨，要赶紧回家。Yeah, okay, let's put you in this scenario now, okay? Let's say it's getting dark outside and you want to kind of comment that, hey, it might rain later, so let's hurry up and end our shopping or whatever you're doing, go back home, you know? 好大一片乌云哦 Wow, look, there are a lot of dark clouds right now, okay?
很太偏嘅烏雲哦，
很太偏嘅烏雲哦，烏雲就是烏烏的雲啊，
黑的，就是黑雲哦，
Okay.
黑黑的咯。
That's so cool. 雲 actually means cloud, but 烏雲 means dark clouds, 就是烏雲嘛 okay? There's a big cluster, 好大一片，
很太偏，
很太偏哦，这个感觉真的是要下雨了哈。
对，
所以等一下可能会下大雨哦。That means there might be some heavy rain later, okay?
等一下，
等一下，
冇聽錯，
冇聽錯，
會落太意哦。
會落太意哦。那个落太意就是
下大雨，
落大雨，
落
对不对 ？Okay, 落 okay, that means to drop, to fall down. Raindrops are going to come down, but it's big rain, heavy rain, so 太意，
对，就是
太大的雨。Okay, 所以呢，我们要赶快回家，对不对？
对
Yeah, hurry up, let's go home. How do you say that?
幾end，
幾end，
夾夾進不下，
夾夾進不下。
幾end夾夾進不下。
哎，我们教过 get get 就是快一点，对不对？
快一點
It actually means hurry up, okay? Get get, and it actually sounds like you're trying to rush something, right? Get， 就是要赶快，转不卡 ，you gotta go home, all right? Hurry up and go home. 好，回家之前呢，再来蕊一次我们几个单词好吗 ？OK， 希望还不会那么快下哈。来，乌云 ，some dark clouds.
烏雲，
烏雲 okay? Dark clouds, not just clouds, but dark clouds. 下大雨 it's gonna rain heavy.
落太意，
落太意 Lok means to drop, 太意 big rain, heavy rain. And finally, hurry up 要赶快叫做 gag. Alright? 哎，真的快要下雨了，赶快回家了哦。
Okay.
It's all about 等一下。再讲一次怎么说？
等一下，
等一下 or 等哈。That is today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按此say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.